Delhi Assembly Mikhal Chahi asigi February 9 da pangtholaga February 13 da Mikhal gi phal laukthoknaba Election Commission na matam lepkhre. Amasung ASU Palace Compound na Neroka FC Sangafam Bupandal Amal Sinoda Maithiba Pidram Duna Kontramata Super Junior Boys Inter District Football League winner oibangangkhe. Member Krum Jari Demne Bribus Impact News ni ay bijana manohar mayumna hoji pungja asi fawbugi mariba pausing miyamda bijari. Delhi Assembly Mikhal Chahi asigi February 9 da pangtholaga February 13 da Mikhal gi phal laukthoknaba Election Commission na matam lepkhre. Seat humdra leba Delhi Assembly Mikhal asigi notification na tha asigi 13 da thokani aduga mirep che pishin bage roba matamna January 18 ni. New Delhi da ngarang pangthokpa press conference amada election Commission ki Chief Sunil Arora na Delhi Assembly ki matam lep ki bagal loina na Model Code of Conduct janaba hore haiki Mikhal asi niyom chumna pangthokna bagi dama policeman lising maudra hena sizinaragane Mikhal asi da polling station lising tarahumdoi ga chatur yankhai da voter koti amaga lak nimpu taruk na vote thadagani panbayabadi hauzik laidiba Delhi Assembly Mikhal gi matam asi mathang thagi kongani thoida loiragadabani Imphal West District ki Uripok Assembly Constituency ki manung chana laiba lambung khongna khongda saba imoinu sanglen haina mingthonba community hall ama Assembly Constituency asigi MLA oibata natana state asigi Deputy Chief Minister su oiriba Joy Kumar na sangakhre ima thogal lup lamboi khongna khongna sindona pangthokhiba sangabagi thoram aduda Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar na ima thogal lup ki President Kesho Ripok Samgat Sagat Papun Baluk ke Advisor Yumnam Ombi Bempi Shak amasung United Friends Library and Club ke former President T.S. Surjaboro na mathang sit na Chief Guest President amasung Guest of Honor Singh Oina Sarugyaki.
Aidi Ladybird, the Kaigi constituency, Ladybird, Lamadam Duki, the Kaigi Yanka, Missing the Kaida, the Vida, I the Simbiaba, Tobiaba, Adu. Say that Kanaka Makana, I want the board being behind Yatuba, Adu, Secretary. Quick block, Kanaminaga, Carmine to see Manipuri, Madu Yanga, Swin and Tabaco to Medicine. We book and we quite a Maru, quite a bit of that car, you said, the Bull Turinki, Massi has elected about to say, Massi, I think in the moment, private tea. She's showing a quick Togani, already CGC projects, I have black and layer, I come there, Tani, Hogi, Matang the day. She's waiting a quick subo, the many hand colleague.
With mga gigan ngay hayeng dagi hongnabi matu inna pangthuklagani haina kaboy drama sanpa Manipur na thadarok pa chero lamada khangalak pagalona na ga ngay gi yafai paujel pirakli amadi kumhai asi niyom chumna pangthokminasi haina apel tawrakli Thangal Bazar da laiba Shri Jagannath Mandir da Hindu lining chetpa singi maru oiba lai oiriba Lord Balavadra Subhadra Madi Jagannath ki mitam khinkibagi chahi ama mapung pharapagi kumon thoram pangthokri thoram asiga mari leirina lining asibu thajaba miyoi singna ngalingai matam dagi laisang asida karaktuna ira thongnibagi thogal sing pangthoknakhi Matang swai se break ama lawzugi break ki matung da ESU Palace Compound na kontramathoi Super Junior Boys Inter District Football League ki winner oibangam kibagi paw amade Manipur ma somalengi tongan be paw sing puduna lagsake Impact News pamiyang tatun lebiu mayambo amuka na taram lokchari bulletin asige makhata ba paw miyamda pizuri ESU Palace Compound na kontramathoi Super Junior Boys Inter District Football League ki winner oibangam kre All Manipur Football Association ki meeting makhada gasi ayu khuman lampak artificial turf ground da sanakiba football league asigi final match adu da ESU Palace Compound amadi Neroka FC Sangaifam anina league asigi winner oidaba yade hain akan mamong da lamba tawna kiba match asigi ko humputare suba menetta ESU Palace Compound ki sanaroi thumsol tonsing na penalty da panjalama chanduna चथखिबा लीग असigi विनर ओइबा ngamkhi मैच asida ESU Palace Compound gi sanaroi Mohammad Wajid Khan na मैच ki 10 suba amasung 29 suba minute singda sanabagi chatna kanglon thugaiduna sanarubagi damak center referee na red card piduna sanaroi asi makhatana match asida sanahan khide district football league asigi ngasi loisenbagi achamba tharam aduda all Manipur sports association ge general secretary RK Sanayama amadi all Manipur football association ge masak narba miyoi kayana makok mathang takraba team singda mana matum sing khudol tamki Hojik Chathuri Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 gi ngarang sanakiba league match Odisha na Chennai FC bu Panjal ani shino da maithiba pikre Odisha gi Kalyani Stadium da sanakiba match adu da Odisha bu mai pahan khiba Panjal adu Jerry amadi Vinit Rai na match ki kontra taret amasung nipumathoi suba minute ta chankibane league asigi mathangi match hayeng Goa amadi Northeast United ani na lamba thengnaragani Arab the bulletin asige headline somhona myam da thamjari Delhi Assembly Mikhal chahiye chigi February 9 da pangthoklaga February 13 da Mikhal gi pan lauton election commission na matam lepri Amasung ESU Palace Compound na Neroka FC sangafam bu panjalama sinoda maiti ba piram duna kontra mathu suba junior boys inter district football league ki winner oi bangang